Hello friends, how many options or opportunities a life convict can get? Means how many appeals are there where he can make it to the higher courts? Normally a court of session convicts a person by confirming him, by recording a conviction of life for him. Either a life or death will be recorded in a court of session only, not by the court of chief judicial magistrates. So the chief judicial magistrate can hardly impose a sentence of 7 years. So once a court of session confirms the life sentence or a death sentence to a convict, to a person who is convicted, he can definitely approach the High Court with a criminal appeal. But the chances of getting that criminal appeal admitted are very bleak and very difficult in normally the people who are murderers or POCSO cases. Then only these kind of life sentences will be imposed. In such scenario, the life convicts have got only two options. First option is with the court of session, and the second option with the Honorable High Court. And the third option is as good as nil. Why? Because in the Honorable Supreme Court, he can approach only by way of a special leave petition. Special leave petition under Article 136 is only the discretion of the Honorable Supreme Court and not a right of a convict or any of the special leave petitioner. So once the Honorable Supreme Court sees that there is a substantial amount of question of law or gross miscarriage of justice or error apparent on face of the record has been made out at the face of it, only in such kind of scenario they will grant you a special leave, and your special leave petition will be converted into a criminal appeal. In that scenario, definitely the criminal appeal in the Supreme Court will be heard at length, and you might expect to get some kind of relief in future. If it's a death sentence, they will commute it to life, and if it's a life sentence, there are very rare chances that they will give some kind of relief by converting 304 part 1 into part 2 into part 1 in such ways, or 304 part 1 into part 2 or part 2 into something else, or 304A. Such kind of possibilities are always there. So it all depends on how the Honorable Supreme Court sees it. There has to be a lot of errors in the judgments of the Honorable High Court, then only your special leave petition can be entertained. So I would say a life convict or death row convict will have hardly only one opportunity in the High Court, and Supreme Court is as good as nil. Always remember that. Try to get rid of your cases in the High Court or Sessions Court itself. Don't expect the Supreme Court to do the needful or grant you reliefs. Thank you.